Hey guys, well today I'm going to do my first harvest of my chili plants. I think I've got 11. This particular variety I have 4 of this type. They produce these, I think these are like medium heat. So you can see those, good size. So there's some good ones back here. And then I've got 3 in this bed and 3 in the other bed of small ones. They are absolutely prolific. Small plants, so many chilies. And then there's one that's just different to all the others, and those are the ones I go with. And I do want to add a cayenne pepper chili to the mix at some point, maybe 2 or 3. We'll see how we go. So let's get this first harvest. Alrighty, let's start cutting some. So all these chili plants, this is the second season of fruiting. I just overwintered them. Beginning of winter, I just pruned them right back. Not a single leaf on it. So they were dormant. We didn't have any frost. If we did have a frost, I would have put a dome over it to protect it. But luckily this winter we did not have any frosts where I am. When the leaves start coming back late winter, I just mulch. Just get a nice mixture of soil and various things I put together, and then I top layer it around it, water it in, and then I do that a second time about 2 to 4 weeks into spring, and I'll probably do that again in about 6 weeks. So when I did that about 2 to 4 weeks into spring, that was about just before they were flowering. Now I could have added some right now while they're flowering, but I think they've still got a pretty good amount. They look pretty happy. Alrighty, let's weigh this. See how many grams. Who wants to guess? Wow. 487 grams. Just under half a kilo. Wow. Pretty good first harvest, isn't it? Like all that. And I'll probably get that much again in 1 to 2 weeks. I can only imagine how much harvest I'm going to get from these plants. Maybe 20 kilos, that'll be good.